Is America a racist country? Are Black people just overreacting or making all this racism stuff up? Well, you've heard me talking about racism in America on the Dr. Phil show, in my viral social media videos, and even here.
One woman is trying to educate people on how they can be anti-racist and be better allies for the Black community. Ashani Mfuko wants to educate people about racism, recently posting this video on social media.
But this one hits a little bit different. This is USA Today's special edition entitled Race in America. And as a part of this issue, they featured some content creators who are making a positive impact, being a positive influence. And there I am. I'm in USA Today in the Race in America issue. How cool is that? You can see me on page 12 of this special edition issue of USA Today, the newspaper. I'm so honored and just so excited to be in this special edition talking about how the work that I do on social media and through my platform, Anti-Racism Schools in Session, is having a positive impact and helping to create a better and more beautiful, safer, and more equitable world for all people. It's truly an honor. Make sure you check it out. And if you have a hard copy of the newspaper, let me know. I would love to have one because they were sold out in every store that I went to buy it, and you can't get it online. So shout out to USA Today for this special edition feature. And make sure you are investing in your anti-racism education, friends. If someone asks you, is America a racist country? You should have an answer for them because you've been investing in your anti-racism education. So if you haven't yet, go to the link on my profile and join my 5-day challenge, Politics Edition, and learn how to talk about politics, race, and racism with more grace, grit, confidence, and compassion. I'm here to create more anti-racist leaders, not gain more followers. Remember, y'all, anti-racism is not a diet. It's a lifestyle. What you'll learn in my 5-day challenge. How to talk about politics, race, and racism with more grace, grit, confidence, and compassion. How to stop avoiding conversations about politics with those who have differing views than you. And how to maintain your composure during difficult and uncomfortable conversations about politics, race, and racism. Join now at the link in my bio. The Anti-Racist Conversations Confidence Challenge is here. Join the 5-day challenge, Politics Edition, today at the link in my bio. I'll see you in the challenge.